Hey, kindergarten. So today we are going to be working on greater than. So if we look down here at number 1, I have 2 sets of balls. It looks like we've got some tennis balls and some footballs. And I've got to figure out which I have more of. Okay, so I'm going to match them up. 1, 2. And I can see that I have 2 more tennis balls than I do footballs. Therefore, the number of tennis balls is greater than the number of footballs. And I'm going to go ahead and circle it. Okay, same thing down here. We've got bowling balls and we've got hockey pucks. If I draw a line and match up the bowling balls and the hockey pucks, I can see that I have 1 more hockey puck than I do bowling balls. Therefore, the number of hockey pucks is greater than the number of bowling balls. And I'm going to circle it. Okay, good job. So moving across, we got some baseballs and we have, I think, a golf ball. So is the number of baseballs or the number of golf balls more than? So if I match it up, I can see that I have more baseballs than I do golf balls. I'm going to circle it because the number of baseballs is greater than the number of golf balls. Okay, across to here, we have some bowling balls and we've got a volleyball. If I match these up, I can tell that the number of bowling balls is greater than the number of volleyballs. And I'm going to go ahead and circle that number because it is greater. Okay, over here, we have footballs and we have baseballs. If I match them up, I can see that I've got 1 football left without a match, which means that the number of footballs is greater than the number of baseballs. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle around my group. Well, it's not a circle, but I'm going to draw around my group of footballs. Okay, looks like we got beach balls and we got hockey pucks. If I match them up, I can see that I have more hockey pucks than I do beach balls. So the number of hockey pucks is greater than the number of beach balls. Over here, I've got bowling balls and volleyballs. I can only match up 1 of the bowling balls. Therefore, the number of volleyballs must be greater than the number of bowling balls. I got the beach balls and the volleyballs over here for number 8. Match up there, match up there. And I can see that I have more volleyballs than I do beach balls. There's 1 here without a match. So the number of volleyballs is greater than the number of beach balls. And I'm going to circle it. Okay, last problem. We have a 5 frame with 3 black counters in it. What I have to do is draw some counters in this 5 frame to make a number that is greater than 1, 2, 3. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to match it up. 1, 2, 3. So now they look the same, but I need to create a number that is greater than 3. So if I do 1 more counter, it becomes 4. And there are more counters in this 5 frame than there are in this one. Therefore, this number is greater than this number here. All right, kindergarten, great job today, and I will see you next time.